Today we're going to make this very sentimental shadow box out of memorabilia from a girlfriend's family. You got to watch this. This is for a friend of mine, and she brought over some of the most amazing items today for me to work with, and I'm just kind of sorting through them, decide what is going to work best, and decide how I want to lay these things out. What I started with was some scrap paper and decided I wanted to do something in the green color. If you like the videos that I post, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. But I did want some really neat things. So I've got what looks like a dictionary page and then what looks like a handwritten note. And I've got some paper here. Now this is old, so I can't even tell you where it came from. It was a clearance item that I bought years ago, but it's all kinds of old looking paper. And then here's just some odds and ends I've collected. Now, I am going to be tearing some of these things. I'm going to use some of my distress inks, and what I'm going to do is distress the edges. So I'm just going to go in like this. There we go. And I'm going to get the edges here so that they look on the old side. Kind of makes it look like it's been sitting in an old book or something like that for a long time. So I think that turned out pretty cool. So I'm going to set these aside here. Okay. I'll try some tea dye on this one. So what I used is vintage photo, tea dye, and antique linen. And I kind of mixed them all up because I only used one dauber. So now I'm gonna go in and grab one of these. Looks like a ticket. Look at that, it's pretty cool looking. Maybe we'll use that. Okay, I'm gonna tear this as well. I never have a rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I just end up kind of doing it. And I just kind of tuck things in as we go. And see how I'm going to put this off to the side. I'll trim this part up later. Right there. And let's get some color on this. This on and we'll start looking and seeing what else we might need. See how that'll just tuck right in there? Kind of cool. Straighter. All right, let's stand back and look at this for a second. I think this should be okay for right now. So let's go ahead and get started. And I think the first thing we're going to need to do is figure out how we're going to attach the book. She said I could glue it. I don't know that that's what I want to do, but we're going to have to go with it, I think. The second thing we're going to do is put in her handkerchief. And I think I might put a bow on this. So just have a little piece of sheer, I don't know what color this is. This is from Michael's. And I'm going to pull it up here and make a little bow. So here's the finished project. I've used an 11 by 14 Shadowbox frame from Michael's, and you can buy those. They come in sets of 2. I think you might be able to get them in singles if you'd like. They do run about $30 for 2. but I buy them in larger quantities, so I buy those online and have them shipped to me. So what I added besides the actual items from the family was this key here and the little pearls, the little buttons and stuff here and here, and then just popped in a couple of buttons, and then I also used these watch pieces as well. So this is so much fun. I love doing things like this, and it just helps bring the past back to life. Have it out and be able to look at it and see it versus having it stored in a box someplace. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. My channel cannot grow unless you do subscribe to my videos. If you ring that bell every time I upload a video, you will get notified of that too. So have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Zip tie it, pull your loop off.